Furnished apartment. Ito yung galing sa labas. Ay, English pala, no? This is the front of the apartment, house. This is the laundry area. Yeah, from outside, this wall. So, very private. Planted with this. Yeah. And then we go inside. Yeah. Tiles. So this is from the door. Ceiling. Aircon. So other things here you can use. Here's the TV divider, and then this is okay. Now this is the ref. Going to the kitchen. This is the dining area behind the divider. There's a chandelier here, and then you get to here is the bedroom, the first bedroom. This is it. Bedroom, and